Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I am to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, guys, I'm gonna explain to you guys what's happening in the market briefly, and then later I'll make a more in-depth video. But before we begin, we have to take a look at a previous video I made uh, about 2 weeks ago, which is here when I mentioned
Pagaron,
Bit.
pagaron.
Let's see
Uy,
here.
perdón.
When I mentioned Bitcoin was diving off the cliff, we'll see. Because I mentioned Bitcoin can still go to 50K, guys. It's a big it's a possibility as well, especially if they're manipulating the market the way they are. So let's see what was said here, and then we'll head over to the charts and I'll explain things better for you. Welcome, millionaires, billionaires. See here. It's good movement. It's what we want. So it appears we are going to indeed test the 100K mark, 102K to 100 and just the lower hundreds. And then I'll make an update once we get there. But we should and we have and we must hold this support, guys. If we don't hold the support at 100K, okay, so I mentioned I would make an update once we get there, guys. So this is the update. So let's head over to the charts um, and see where we are. We did actually hit the 102 mark, the lower hundreds. Let's see here. This loads. Remember, most of these cycles tend to repeat themselves. So yeah, we did hit 102K lower hundreds. These volatilities, as mentioned before, guys, it's difficult for day traders to trade them. That's why it's best to just buy and hold. I'm pretty sure a lot of people got liquidated on this move. So now that we hit the support, because this is the biggest support we have to hold, as I mentioned in the previous video, the 100K mark, the lower hundreds right here, 102, lower hundreds, and we actually did hold that support. If we didn't hold that support, guys, that candle would have came a lot lower, even in 90K, even 80K. The fact that you see how it wick down and tested the support at lower hundreds, and it reversed back up to quickly reversed back to 110, 112, which is a very, very good news. That means we held that support, the 102. That candle right there should indicate to you how fast we are about to move. As I mentioned in previous videos, in one daily candle, guys, we can move 10K, 20K, which is exactly what happened yesterday. We moved from, I think, 119. I think we moved almost 20K yesterday in just one day. So imagine, and that's just when things are dropping. When things are pumping, obviously we're going to move a lot faster. So now that we held that support, which is good news, so now we are about to pump. So now the real pump is beginning as per the previous video. And now in one daily candle, we're just going to see Bitcoin jumps from 110 to 140 in just one day. Just remember that. So that's how fast we are about to move. So now that we held the support, which is good news, now you should be loading up, guys. Now we have the confirmation that we are headed to 140, 150 very, very quickly. Most likely this weekend. If it doesn't happen this weekend, early next week, guys. So this is our confirmation as well. But now today we're going to see the true move happens in just one day. As I mentioned, we are going to see Bitcoin break clean. We're not even going to see it at resistance, which is at all-time high. In just one daily candle, you're just going to see Bitcoin jump from where it's at to 140, 150, because As I mentioned before, you never see these move because they are too fast, they are too quick. Perfect example is yesterday when the market drops and tested the support. You didn't see that move because it happened within like minutes. And that's how fast we're about to see Bitcoin move as well. And this is the reason why I say if you're waiting for to buy certain coins while and you're waiting for them to pump to buy, you're gonna miss every opportunity because you're not gonna see the pump happen, guys. It's just gonna happen. The and by the time you look at the coin, the pump has already happened and you missed the pump. So the best time to buy is when nothing is moving, when the market is consolidating. That's the best time to buy. Not when you see green candles, but when you see either red candles like this, beautiful, beautiful movements, or when the market is consolidating or when it's sleeping. So today, this weekend, I'm expecting we break clean through resistance, get to 140, even 150, guys. But these movements, these massive candles, godly candles that's about to appear in the charts, in just one day, we can see Bitcoin jumps from 112 to 160 to 170 in just one day. This is just what to prepare for, and this is what's about to happen. And some of these meme coins, some of these altcoins, they're just gonna go parabolic. They're just gonna go vertical. So this is the month, guys. It's happening. It's happening. This confirmation, yesterday's confirmation that we held the support at 102. If we didn't hold support, guys, we would have dropped to 150. I'm not 150. We would have dropped 50%. We would have dropped to 80K, 60K, even 50K, because that is where the next support is at 100, at 60K, 65. Next support is at 670K to 50, I would say 50K. We would have already dropped down there, and then we would be getting ready to skyrocket. But the fact that we held that support at 100K, lower hundreds, it's a good indication that we're not gonna go any lower, guys. Obviously, we can. Anything is possible, especially in the crypto market. But we are holding support, so that means because we don't have much time to go up, so that means the longer we take to go up, the faster the pump is going to be. So we have very little time for Bitcoin to get to 500,000, even 1,000,000. But these candles is foretelling the future if we look at the daily candles. Just yesterday's daily candle. So this is the candles we're about to see here. Instead of red, they're gonna be green. So this is how fast we're gonna move. In just one day, we're gonna move 20K, 30K, even 50K, guys. Just be ready, because some of you guys are gonna miss the biggest opportunity of your lifetime if you are not aware. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for the new viewers, because I know over 80% of you guys are new members. So if you don't subscribe, especially if you are not in the Telegram, you are missing a lot of information, guys. That's gonna help you make a lot of money. So until the next time, peace.